What is up, YouTube? You may have noticed I haven't posted here for about a week. This is most of the reason why. You can see that I had a nasty little accident last week. Occupational hazard of owning a cat, actually two cats. One of them got underfoot just as I was standing up after sitting at my desk, and well, he sent me flying into the wall. That was a lot of fun. Uh, I am feeling fine in case anybody's wondering or worried about it or interested at all. But obviously got pretty banged up. Anyhow, but I am back now. I am ready to start making more videos, and today I've got a doozy for you. I just created a brand new video that I'm going to give you as a free bonus. Basically, this video is going to show you how to use a completely free website to do high-level graphic editing. I'm going to teach you exactly how to use it to do all kinds of cool tricks like removing backgrounds and resizing stuff and changing and adding all kinds of features and how to do it. Basically, it's the equivalent of Photoshop, but without paying for Photoshop. It's completely, totally for free. And I've got a guide that I just recorded that's going to show you everything that you need to know in order to be able to use it to basically do graphic editing. And the reason that you're going to get that is because I have something so super cool to tell you about today. It's all coming up in my review of Printable Cards Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull most successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you're not new, if you're not new to the channel, feel free to skip ahead. You know the drill. If you are new, well, then welcome aboard. I'm happy to have you here. I'm not even going to make a joke this time because, well, I don't feel like making a joke when I'm looking the way I look. But anyhow, seriously though, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask. Well, it's actually very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really? Every time? Even when I'm injured, you gotta go bother me. Do you know how annoying that guy is? He does it all the time. Very irritating. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Edmonds. See, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. Who can get angry at such a person? After all, she is a fellow New Yorker. I know Tina Fey is not a New Yorker, but Liz Lemon is. And it's her character that we're talking about right now. Anyhow, sorry, my mother was complaining that Tina Fey is not a New Yorker. So, but Liz Lemon is a New Yorker. Anyhow, so seriously though, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we drop new videos. So frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page right now. This is the sales page for Printable Cards Empire. This is a brand new course from my friend Alessandro, and he's partnering with another friend of mine, Andreas. Basically, these are super cool. You know, I am always on the lookout for new methods of making money online that don't involve the usual make money online stuff, you know, because like you have all these other things that are pretty saturated. You know, the make money online world, you know, another course on how to make money from you know, software or whatever, you know, or traffic or list building. Yeah, okay, those are important skills, but ultimately you're basically just building a skill for the sake of building the skill. You're not really doing anything with it except teaching other people how to do the same thing that you just learned how to do. This is something where you're creating something that people actually want. And what they're going to show you in this course is super cool. Basically, they're going to show you exactly how to create printable cards. Okay, for example, playing cards or tarot cards or all kinds of different stuff. They can actually have custom printed, and people pay good money for these things, unlike the typical stuff that you would usually get. These people are willing to pay a lot of money for them. They're very, very, very cool stuff. Okay, now I am going to be giving you a bonus, like I said, where you are able to actually use a professional level editing software completely, totally for free. I'm going to show you which website it is. I'm going to show you how to use that website. Okay, I just did a high level course showing you all kinds of cool tricks that you can use in order to do all kinds of things with that particular website. Plus, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of additional stuff. Let me go ahead and pull it up for you real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me close that out over here. And we're going to go ahead. So this is part of it. So, this is one of two pieces. Basically, what I'm going to give you is these things that are designed for inspirational quotes. They can actually go ahead and edit with this software that I'm showing you how to use completely for free. I actually should go through it, how to edit the software completely for free. Right now, I'm just opening up Affinity Photo, which is a different editing software, just so I can show you what it looks like. But it's not. This is not the one that we're actually going to be using for free. Affinity is a paid piece of software, but you can see here, you get all these little things, all these cute cards. You can go ahead and edit them completely for free using this software. In addition to these, we have another set. Let me see if I can find it real quick for you. Oh boy, let me find it. If I can find it. If not, I will, well, you're going to get it anyway when you pick up this course and my bonus. But basically, this is another set of ready-made inspirational quote stuff that you can actually go ahead and start using to actually make money off of this thing. I think this is it. Nope, wrong one. Okay, inspirational quotes. Here we go. Okay, so you can see here, there's a whole bunch of them, and you're going to get the PSD files for these things. Okay, so PSD files means that you can edit it using this software. Just to give you an example, you can see like this, the most effective way to do is just do it. Okay, and again, you're going to get the ability to edit all of these things and add everything in. Plus, I'm going to give my Rolodex of free resources that you can go ahead and find tons and tons of free images that you can use with this particular course. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at the actual course. You can see here, it's going to show you how to make tarot deck, oracle decks, okay, symbol cards. I'm not even sure what symbol cards are. Okay, card games for kids. You can make all kinds of cards, and the nice thing is that people will pay good money for these things, unlike, you know, people pay like 99 cents to buy a regular deck of playing cards. But if they want something that's customized, that looks cool, and that's what you're going to be able to do with my bonus, is to create customized stuff that looks cool, then they're going to pay good money for that. And you can actually make real money selling a real item, as opposed to something that's just, you know, another course on how to build a list in order to teach somebody else how to build a list. Okay, that's why I really love this thing. This is so cool. This is something that I really think you're going to get a lot of value out of. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give it to my as a product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you demand. I love this thing. These are the kind of courses I am so excited to be promoting, because it's not the usual crap that you usually see in the Make Money Online world, where it's yet another course on list building. This is completely different. I never even thought of doing this kind of thing. Alessandro is a master of finding these kinds of ways of making money online, where you're providing real value and real stuff. This is super cool. This one is worth it. You're going to love this one.